So this is how you make a paper TIE fighter. So first you need a you need a piece of paper, some scissors, and a black Expo marker. So first you need to cut this side. Then you need to do it on the other side of the paper. Do it on the bottom. Oh yeah, and you're also making, you can make like these little mini rocket. You can also make these little launchers that launches rockets. And you can make these on like the little sides, so then it'll like help. Okay, let's go back to the tie. Okay, we got a little messed up there, but that's fine. Okay. Okay, now you got your body of the tie. You can see it. See over there. Okay, now draw a little circle in the middle of the tie. Then do long strips as long as you like. Then you need to draw a circle on there. Then you can like point to the edge. And now that's how you make a paper TIE fighter. Wait, if you want blasters on your tie, then just put little circles like that. Then those are blasters. And now that's how you make a tie.